Let us understand the step-by-step process of using the CV Analyzer tool in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Job Vacancy Details form under the HR module. Enter the job vacancy details. These details should be integrated with LinkedIn, Naukri and other job aggregator portals. The job description and skills required fields are mandatory to be filled in for the AI analysis and comparison. Once done, candidate details will be fetched automatically. To view candidate details, go to the Search Candidate form. Enter the name of company, candidate criteria and minimum work experience. Candidate lists of those who have applied for positions in your company will be fetched automatically. Then, to view all candidate information, navigate to the Candidate Details form under the HR module. Here you can view the details of candidates who have applied for a job at your organization. In cases where a single job vacancy has received multiple applications, the CV Analyzer tool helps HR shortlist the best candidate from the available pool by simply reviewing the resumes. To use the CV Analyzer tool, upload the CV and enter the details such as job description and educational work experience information of the candidate eligible for the job. Click on Analyze CV to shortlist the candidates eligible for the job. Please check whether you have the minimum number of coins required to perform this action. If not, click on Recharge and select a suitable payment plan. Once done, click on Proceed. The tool will fetch an evaluation report and an overall assessment of the candidate suitable for the job. You can also view the candidate's key strengths, areas of improvement, and other parameters of evaluation. Select any parameter to get a detailed evaluation of the candidate. Upon reviewing the candidate information, click on Extract Data. You can view the extracted data under the Remarks section. This is a helpful tool for the HR team to sort multiple applications across multiple vacancies with a limited number of openings. In case you want to analyze multiple CVs for the same job position, you can use the CV Comparison tool. Click on Compare CV. You can view the ratings and scores of multiple candidates who have applied for the same job position. Click on Compare All Candidates to eliminate manual evaluation. You can also manually select one or multiple candidates to compare the selected profiles. Click on Compare 4 candidates or Compare all candidates based on your selection. Once done, the AI will analyze candidate profiles by comparing skills and proficiencies most suitable for the job. Once the AI analysis is complete, you can view the recommended candidate suggestion. You can also view suggestions, key differences, and final ranking details for other strong candidate profiles that match the job requirements. This helps the HR team evaluate all candidates and make informed decisions, enabling them to select the right candidate for the right job at the right time. The process of using the CV Analyzer tool is now complete.